Welcome to Pre-K at BMIS. There is one teacher and 2 teaching assistants who are all very experienced with early childhood. One of my favorite parts about BMIS is our outdoor spaces. We can really use the outdoor spaces for learning. We get upright writing, which it comes developmentally first for children. We bring in sensory pieces with sand and water. They can explore, they can communicate and work on teamwork. We can work on our agility skills in PE. We bring learning into our play indoors and outdoors. We might make a menu, we might communicate on how to build something the best way we know how. We might wonder, how is paint made, and take the opportunity to mix some pigment and water. Our small group times are more of a focused learning time with 4 to 6 children in each group, and we do a rotation. Sometimes those activities take place at the table, and sometimes they are writing, sometimes they're hands-on, sometimes we walk around campus to collect data and explore other places. Our snack time always happens outside unless it's raining. I've had the opportunity to invite many people and special guests into our classroom. We had a weaver. Miss Cat brought her dog Winnie during our pet exploration, and we had visitors from the LSPCA. We had visiting authors and illustrators. We also had families come in. Our Chinese families taught us how to make dumplings this year. We went on a field trip to the Kilner Farm. Another exciting aspect of BMIS is that from October to April, we have swimming lessons once a week during our PE sessions. The children learn basic skills like kicking and paddling and staying afloat. In pre-K, we do lots of experiments because hands-on learning is very concrete for children's understanding. We learned how to make boats float. Someone wondered if crayons melt in the sun, so we tested that theory. We often make plans before we try something so that we have an idea of what we want to do. That also helps us throughout the day plan what's going to come next or make future plans with friends. And often those plans lead to success. We have a family day at least once per unit. We had families in to talk about who we are at the beginning and our nationalities. Here is when we had families in with the challenge of making a game or a toy from recyclable materials that we had been learning about. We have a lot of fun in pre-K, and while we are having fun, we are gaining independence. Children lead a large group time in the morning, and I gradually give them more and more responsibility throughout the year. They love being the teacher, they love collecting data, they love taking part. It's exciting to see them grow and how much independence they gain throughout the year. We look forward to your child flying into pre-K next year. I look forward to meeting you all.